Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. So today I just wanted to come on and show a Christmas kit that I absolutely fell in love with and wanted to use. But as you guys know, with the current condition of my hands, I'm actually filming on December the 9th, Saturday. I just got finished filming my other video while my hands are feeling okay. They seem to do okay first thing in the morning time, but some days it don't take them long to just absolutely take me out for the remainder of the day. So I thought while I could, at least do a little bit, I would share this with you guys. So it is a Christmas kit. Fell in love with it. It's from Joey Cardmaker. He is absolutely amazing and such a sweetheart. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to do anything with it right now. Excuse me. I apologize. Because of the condition of my hands, but surgery is scheduled for the 13th. I don't know on the 12th if that's actually a go or not. And they're going to start with the right hand, which is the worst. So what I'm actually going to do is I will end up doing a Christmas in July with Joey's kit, and I will be making a journal. He has the US letter size, and then he also has the A4. So run over there and get that, and I will show you that next. Now, still with the condition of my hands, I am not going to be able to actually flip through every page. Okay, I thought that would be more of a challenge, so that's good. But look at how gorgeous this is. Let's be jolly. It is 30 pages. And again, I did get the US letter size. But isn't that going to be beautiful? So that's going to be the first page. I did back these also with his kit. And Joey coordinates his digitals where they actually go together the way that you place them in your journal. So that the pages side by side actually coordinate. So you see you have the snowman here and the snowman here, and the way you fold it, they're actually going to be side by side. So I believe I just backed these with the same holly and the berries for the back because that was just easier for me. But yeah, absolutely. I mean, look at that. That's going to be toward the end because that's kind of like New Year's-y. So that is some of the actual pages. Let me see. Set those there. And then here are the journaling cards. I guess I could turn them this way, couldn't I? Oh, that's totally something else. I should have not have still had in there. Okay, this was where my printer was not being nice. So it has the lines on that, and then the color started doing that on the back. So who knows, because that's so not supposed to be yellow. But anyway, so these are some of the journaling cards. And this is where you cut this out and you actually fold it. So this is the back. Joey's so smart. Absolutely beautiful kit. It's going to be so much fun. So you have pockets and journaling cards and tabs and just all kinds of wonderfulness. Envelope. More small tags, T-cards, and stamps. Tabs, tickets, banners. Just a lot of everything. So, that right there is the actual kit. And I will make sure to leave a link to his shop below in the description box. Excuse me. Okay, so this right here is actually on his Ko-fi. And this is freebies over there. So, there's that one. This one, too, had the lines in it. I'm unsure if I'm going to redo that one or not. Yeah, but these are actually all freebies over there. This one I don't think was a freebie. That's Fussy Cuts and Embellishments. Yeah, and here's the numbers. So that actually should go over there. So you have the numbers in squares and circles. And then these were the freebies. So there we go. So that's where that starts. So, but yeah, so that is Joey's kit. And it is Let's Be Jolly. You still have time to make you a journal for this year. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this back open. Okay, I got it. Okay. Things like that's very hard for me, guys. I can't even open up Ziploc bags. So that is Joey Card Maker's Let's Be Jolly kit. And you will see that journal in Christmas in July. Now, I also went over to, let's see, Under the Big Sky Design, and this is Diane over there, and she actually is friends with Gail Augustinelli, and also lives in Helena, Montana. So I had actually went over there because I needed some material for a journal cover, and she actually sends it to you with the front and the back. So I thought this would be perfect to be the outside of the journal, and this is going to be the inside. I am not going to undo this because I'll never get it folded back, but that is what my cover will be. And then she also, with a lot of her kits, this looks like just little strips where I can make some ruffles. But on a lot of them, she goes ahead and just makes the ruffles for you and sends them to you with the kit. So this I'm going to put back in here. But I also have something else to show you that I went ahead and picked up from her while I was over there. Joey Card Maker. All his links will be in the description box below. Again, not going to pull these out. This is a bag of fabric ruffles she actually sent me. And this little cute card that has not been written in that you can actually color, which is really cute. And this one I haven't opened. Let's see. I do not see where the tape starts. Oh, I think it's right here. Yep. So let's see. The other one had a piece of this on there too, and I actually stuck it on my cart because I could put tape on that and reuse it. Oh look, there's a different kind behind it, so I will be using that little strip as well. And I'll go ahead and stick that on my cart. But this was another one that I thought was absolutely gorgeous and had it in my cart on Etsy forever and never actually pushed the button. So while I was getting, that one for Christmas, I decided to go ahead and get this. Look at how gorgeous that is. And that one's going to be the inside. So this is another journal cover. Of course, I will probably put batting in it. I'm not sure if I'll put an envelope in it as well. Oh, she already includes the batting. Yep, she includes the batting. I forgot about that. So yes, absolutely gorgeous. And again, this is Diane from Under the Big Sky Designs. I can't read. Can barely talk. But she wrote me a nice little note. So, yeah, go over there and check her out. She has quilts, she has table runners, she has all sorts of amazing things over there. So I will make sure to leave a link to her Etsy shop in my description below. And don't forget about Joey Card Maker. I will also make sure to leave all of his links below, and go get yourself this kit because it is absolutely amazing. All right, I love you guys. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.